Pharmaceuticals must ensure safety and effectiveness of the drugs produced every day. Therefore, you need a powerful quality management system to manage quality processes, regulatory and compliance requirements, materials and supplier quality, equipment and facilities, controlled documents and employee training, packaging and labeling, customer complaints, permit and license management. One of the most reliable comprehensive solutions is Qualityze EQMS Suite. Qualityze helps build a closed-loop quality system to streamline and standardize all your key quality processes to meet regulatory requirements and exceed customer expectations. With Qualityze, you can improve the product and process quality, minimize the product recalls and other operational risks, meet the compliance with applicable regulatory standards. Built on the Salesforce.com platform, Qualityze ensures you have the security, performance, and reliability required for a quality management application. Experience Qualityze difference to make pharmaceutical quality systems better, faster, and smarter by requesting a free demonstration. For more information, contact our customer success team on 1-87720-78616 or write to us at info@qualityze.com. Qualityze, the innovation leader in the world of quality.